That came out real nice.
My name is Scott Hetrick, and I'm the founder and CEO of Coastal Conversions. We build out custom camper vans, and we also build out custom mobile businesses.
I'm Wade Brown. I'm National Director of Operations for Vision to Learn. Vision to Learn is a nonprofit based out of California that provides free vision screenings and exams to children across the country.
Vision to Learn reached out to us.
Van conversion was part of the process to be able to take the service to the children.
I was on board from day one.
And that's ideal because that's for the optician up front, and then when the curtains are crossed, it'll be for the doctor who's going to darken them to do the eye exam.
It's not often that as a small business owner, you're able to reach that many children and help out that many kids.
But we're constantly expanding. We're in 13 states, 300 cities. We're actually in Hawaii as well. And we travel to the islands in Hawaii. For those that are interested in supporting our efforts, you can go to visiontolearn.org and there's a tab that says donate, or you can reach out to coastalconversions.com and there's a tab that'll link you to our website.
We're completely honored to be working with Vision to Learn. At the end of the day, our goal is when someone thinks about taking their business mobile or building out a custom camper van, our goal is to be on that forefront that Coastal Conversions comes to mind when they're looking to have someone build their dream ride for. At the end of the day, that's what we want to accomplish.